Hi there. Today we're going to look a little bit more at Flipgrid and how you can use it as a screencasting tool. So I'm going to come in here are my groups, and I'm going to come into First Hour Science, and I'm going to click on one of my topics. Now if you wanted to do a screencast for your introduction to the assignment, you could do it right in the topic. So when you're creating the topic, I'm going to edit this topic. You'll notice you have these different types of media you can add. If you record video, it'll bring up the screen to record your video. And if you come down here to options, you can click record screen. I'm going to click start screen recording. And now I pick the screen that I want to record. Click share. And if I don't want my picture there while I'm recording, I can just click that off. So teachers or students could go through a presentation and narrate it, and then you would have a digital copy of that. So here's my Make Thinking Digitally Visible. I could talk through each slide, and then when I was done, I could upload that video straight to Flipgrid. What I just did was I did a video within the directions of my topic. However, if I want to do it as a response or have students do it as a response, it is the same menu. So I'm going to come over here, record a response. I'm going to click options, and again, I can record my screen. This will upload it as a response to that topic. So either way can work. A couple other options are that you can upload a video clip from somewhere else. You can use your microphone only, mirror your video, mute, and then here's where you can go in and change your settings if you're having trouble with your microphone or camera. In addition, you can come also down here to effects. This will allow you to annotate over images, add stickers, add photos, but the really nice thing is if you add a board. So I'm going to come in and I'm going to create a response. I'm going to click options and use my webcam under device settings. And this time I'm going to go under effects and I am going to click on board. There's some options here. I'm just going to click on a blank whiteboard. Once I click on that whiteboard, you'll notice that my screen splits. I can change the width of my screen. If I want to be in it, I can do that. And if I just want the whiteboard, I can just move the split screen all the way over. So here's where I can click on the pen tool and maybe demonstrate a math problem, or I can annotate an infographic, whatever I need to do. Students have this ability as well when they submit a response. So right now I'm on the board. If I wanted to add a photo, I would click photo, find it, we'll use this one. So now on my whiteboard I could be demonstrating whatever I wanted to do with this image. I can also annotate over it using the pen tool. I can copy it, and whatever you need to do. So the whiteboard is a really nice option to make things interactive, to demonstrate things, and the screencasting tool is also good for demonstrating things and to possibly go through a presentation if you wanted to narrate it and have a digital copy. So I hope you have fun exploring some of these more advanced options that are offered in Flipgrid. Thanks. Have a good one.